Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa you know. Bago tayo pumunta sa video ko today, make sure to check out my previous post from 4 months ago where I shared my introduction video that helped me land a spot in Pineapple VA Hub. If you haven't seen it yet, pause this video tapos balikan nyo yan. Today, isi-share ko kung paano ako nakalusot sa initial interview ng Pineapple VA Hub. Tamad version. Kasi, ang tagal ko nang dapat, ginawa to. Pero, di ba nga, umabot ako ng 4 months. So, kakagising ko lang. Tapos, feeling ko, ito na yon. Ito na yung time. Parang sinipag ako, pero tinamad pa din. Ayun, let's dive right in. So, Wednesday, March 20, 11:19 p.m. Naka-receive ako ng email from Pineapple VA Hub na kino-confirm nila na na-receive na nila yung application ko and it was under review. Fast forward to Tuesday, March 26 ng 3 a.m. I got the news that I had passed the initial screening. Tapos my profile was now in queue for interview. And the email mentioned that their team would reach out once the interview schedule was confirmed. Tapos ito na yung time na, oh my god talaga. Hindi ako makapaniwala. And the very next day, on March 27, 7:36 a.m., I received the interview schedule. It was set for March 28, 2024 ng 2:30 a.m. Manila time. Yes, 2:30 a.m. Kasi Arizona time sila. So, the day arrived. I had my interview at 2:30 a.m. The questions were pretty straightforward, pero ang bait nung nag-interview sa akin. Siyempre sobrang kinakabahan ako, ganun. Fake it till you make it, yung kaba. Like, hindi ko talaga pinapahalata, pero may time talaga na, she asked me to introduce myself, ano yung work experiences ko. After nun, random questions na about previous jobs. Tapos, syempre, kung ano yung ma-offer ko sa isang client pag nagkaroon ako ng client. For my introduction, I kept it very, very simple. Pero, alam mo yun, enthusiastic. Kahit kinakabahan talaga. Dapat, kunwari, alam yan. Ayan, I told them my name, what I preferred to be called. For the work experience part, yun na, I made sure to know every detail of my resume. Inisa-isa ko from pinakauna kong job hanggang sa pinaka-recent na job. Yung random questions, medyo tricky. Kasi talagang ayun, the random questions were a bit tricky after nung introduction ko. Alam kong nakinig talaga yung interviewer ko sa mga sinabi ko kasi talagang nag-deep dive siya sa resume ko. Nung tinanong kung ano yung may offer ko, kapag nagkaroon na ako ng client, syempre I highlighted my skills, creativity, kasi nga multimedia virtual assistant yung in-applyan ko. And ayun, dedication to continuous learning, tamang-tama, sa 2 weeks training. Ang dami rin talaga naming natutunan dun. Siguro, next video na yun. Like, maghintay ulit kayo ng 4 months. Charot. After the interview, I was so anxious, waiting for the response. Then, on March 28 then, 6:59 a.m., I received the email I had been waiting for. Ayan sabi, I was now officially part of the newest batch ng mga trainees sa Pineapple VA Hub. But the journey didn't stop there kasi before training, marami ka pang ipapas. So, that's my journey. Ang tip ko sa initial interview, prepare thoroughly. Like, kailangan aral mo yung resume mo by heart. Ano lang, stay calm. After ng question, mag-pause ka saglit. Tapos, habang pinaprocess mo sa isip mo yung i-answer mo. Tapos, be honest. Huwag kayong gumagaya sa mga basta, yon. Ayun, kung may questions kayo, comment na lang kayo dito sa video. Tapos, syempre, i-like nyo naman. Di yung nanonood lang kayo. Sana nakatulong ang inyong Pinya Girly. Thank you for watching. Good night ulit.